Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. And today I want to talk to you about peonies. They are so on trend. It seems like every bride wants to have peonies in the bouquet. And Mother's Day, oh, we have to have peonies for the arrangements. But sometimes we can't get them. Either they aren't in bloom, they're out of season, they're just not great quality. And looking for substitutes, what can use for a peony? I found these, they're beautiful. But if I hadn't had them, possibly a rose, especially some of the garden roses are really quite lovely and look similar to a peony with their ruffly petals. Another technique that I like to use is carnations. I know, just the lowly carnation. Take a moment and split the calyx so that they loosen up, get a little fluffier. Split it, fluff it out, split, fluff it out. Then tuck them together, 2 or 3, depending on how big of a bloom you'd like. Then just a small bit of bind wire, lash it together, and then tucked into a bouquet. You can hardly tell the difference. Now you know, peonies when they're fabulous, substitutes when you have to.